Canada, here are the top 5 suggestions that tax lawyers and chartered professional accountants will make to you to fight your tax problems. I'll tell you if they're right or wrong. Number 1, to utilize the taxpayer relief form, you can request a cancellation of penalties or interest. They ignore that. Waste of time. They absolutely are not in any way, shape, or form going to care about your cancer, about your dead mom, your dead dog, or anything else. They are evil as they come. They will ignore it completely. Next, there is the voluntary disclosure program. Lawyers actually tell you to do this. And this is for unreported income, so you can come forward first and say, hey, I made a mistake 5 years ago. Please tax me. All they're going to do is tax you. There's no benefit to calling them up saying, hi, I'm going to divulge private information about myself. If anyone suggests this to you, they work for the CRA, fire them. Don't do business with them. Next is refiling taxes. That's the correct one. We ignore everything else and simply refile your taxes. I set your taxes to 0 because I put forward every single legal deduction. Every single legal deduction that I'm allowed to put in there. I will get your tax bill to 0. The voluntary disclosure program, I voluntarily tell the CRA way to go. And as for taxpayer relief, I don't ask for relief. The CRA asks for relief from me. Then they say consumer proposal or bankruptcy. Bad idea. Consumer proposals, your credit is still screwed for 7 years and you still owe the money. Well, what's the point of getting involved with anyone who says they can solve a problem for you when you still got to pay the friggin' bill? No, bad idea. Bankruptcy is good, but as an absolute last option. However, corporate bankruptcies never work in Canada. The CRA and the banks always object to your debts. You end up paying the lawyer $75K or more, and you still owe the money. And then the last one here is negotiation. Well, this is a tactic that I use with CRA individuals, the representatives, the so-called auditors, losers. They're all losers. We will track them down at home, and we will start to make phone calls to them at home and negotiate there. You do not negotiate with the CRA when they've got home field advantage. You have to catch them off guard, and we got to do it at their homes. And if they don't want to negotiate with us at home, they might hang up. Sometimes they may threaten me with calling the cops, but they work for the government. And if they work from home, it is a government office. So I am allowed to call them there whenever I want. There's no way for the CRA rep, once I track them down, to win against me. So I will negotiate with them at their houses. No one else in Canada has the guts to do what I do. They're all dumb. They're uneducated and they are spineless. You want to get rid of all your tax problems? Do what I say. Ignore everybody else. KevinJJohnston.com.